What if Earth suddenly stops spinning? You can't feel it, you can't see it, but you are moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a commercial airplane, and yet everything feels calm? But what if in the next second Earth just stopped? No slowing down, no warning, just instant stop. Would we survive? Or would humanity end in seconds? Let's break it down. How fast are we really moving? Earth rotates once every 24 hours at the equator, 1,670 kilometers per hour, near the poles. Almost zero. That means your speed depends on where you live. If you live in Asia, you're moving extremely fast right now, but because the motion is constant, your body doesn't notice it, just like when you're in a plane flying smoothly. But physics has a rule: objects in motion stay in motion unless acted on by an external force, and that's the terrifying part. The first 5 seconds. If Earth stopped instantly, everything not attached to bedrock would continue moving east at full speed. Buildings, trees, cars. You imagine being thrown forward at airplane speed. The atmosphere would keep moving. 2 winds over 1,000 kilometers per hour would tear across continents. It would be the most violent event in human history. The air turns into a weapon because air was spinning with Earth. When Earth stops, air dosen T. Massive global superstorms would form. Entire cities would be flattened. Dust and debris would block sunlight. Electric grids would collapse instantly. Planes in the sky gone. Oceans rise and move. Water at the equator bulges outward due to centrifugal force. If Earth stops, that bulge disappears. Water would rush toward the poles. Mega tsunamis thousands of meters high would form. Entire coastlines would be erased. New oceans would form near polar, regions. Climate nightmare. Earth's rotation controls. Day and night cycle, wind systems, ocean currents without rotation. One side faces the sun forever, gives 100 degrees Celsius plus temperatures. Other side frozen in darkness, gives minus 100 degrees Celsius only. A thin strip between hot and cold may be, livable. Agriculture collapses. Food chains break. Mass extinction begins. What about gravity? Here's something shocking. Gravity wouldn't disappear, but we would feel slightly heavier. Why? Because Earth's rotation creates a small outward force without spinning. That force is gone. So technically you would weigh slightly more. Not dramatic, but measurable. Could this ever happen? Short answer, no. To stop Earth instantly would require energy billions of times stronger than all nuclear weapons combined. No. Asteroid could do it. No. Human technology could do it. Even massive collisions only slightly change rotation. Speed so relax, this is almost impossible. Earth feels stable, but it is a giant spinning ball of rock. Moving through space, we survive because physics is perfectly balanced. And sometimes the scariest science questions are the ones that make us realize how fragile we truly are. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to Wonder Fuze, where curiosity meets reality.